In this brief video, we'll show you how to assemble and pack away the Aqua Cube Twin Room shower tent. Start by unpacking the tent and removing the straps. Then unfold and spread out the legs. Ensure all 4 corner connectors are covered. Lift the central hub and spread out the frame. Pull down the centre hub to click into place. Position the canopy over the tent and extend the poles until they click into place. Then secure the canopy to the shower tent. Peg out the shower tent. Then unroll and peg out the guy ropes. Finally, hang the towel rack and hook the storage organiser into place. Your Aqua Cube Twin Room shower tent is now ready to be used. Ensure the shower tent is dry and remove the towel rack and storage organiser. Remove all pegs and roll up the guy ropes. Shorten each of the legs by pushing the quick release button. Unhook and remove the canopy. Lift the base of the central hub until it releases. Then lift up and collapse the frame. Fold in the poles, ensuring they collapse toward the centre to prevent pole damage. Gather the excess fabric by rolling tightly and use the yellow straps to secure in place. For more information, visit companionbrands.com.au.